Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series. I'm talking about 5 Series generation F10 F11. If you have one of those, you have Airbag Light, and you scan the system, you find a code 930922. Stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that, how to fix it, common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. All that will be covered in this video today. Consider this entertaining video only, not a how-to video, due to the fact that if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, do not do it. They can kill you guys. We'll explain what you should do, what you shouldn't. In some cases, there is a trick that can minimize the chance for something to blow up, but if you're not qualified, still do not work on them. So let's explain what we need to do now. Specifically, this is a 2013 528i that we'll be working on. Let's explain what we have here. If we come inside, guys, we're going to go ahead and turn the ignition switch on. And if we turn the ignition switch on, you will notice one thing, guys, okay? The airbag light will be on here, okay? Let me find a good angle. That airbag light, I'm trying to get a good angle so you can see passenger. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of shade. Maybe from this angle. Yep, right there. Passenger restraint system, guys, right there. Passenger restraint system. And if I turn the ignition switch on and off, check this thing out. Okay, if I turn it all the way off, let's give it some time to discharge. Now turn it back on. In some cases you get even a message on the dash. I have mine clear now, so you need to turn the okay, it will come back on right there. Passenger restraint system, guys, check this thing out as well. It says malfunction, continue wearing safety belt, consult nearest service center. Now, how you fix that problem? Let's explain that now, guys. There could be so many things causing problems with the passenger airbag system, guys, passenger restraint system, like it says. It could be you have multiple things. Some of those, guys, okay, could be something such as the occupancy sensor, seat position sensor. It could be seat airbag, side curtain airbag, dash airbag, knee airbag that goes there. It could be so many things. How you find out? The only way to specifically find out, guys, is get a scanner connected to the OBD port. This is the best scanner that we'll recommend for the money, in our opinion. We use it daily. Check out the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. BMW is here, check it out, and it works. We even used it on Porsches, multiple cars, guys. Mercedes, it's amazing too. It can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, see live data, and some of these new cars may have up to 60 different computers like this one. We select VIN, auto detect. It will say BMW European, it's made in Germany. We will select here, that will confirm our VIN number. Okay, that's the VIN number. We confirm. It's decoding now. Yes, that's a 528 N20 engine. It will turn the ignition switch off automatically, and after 10 seconds it will turn it back on. Connect the battery charger when you're doing diagnostics, due to the fact that the battery can easily get weak and the diagnostics can be affected as well. You may get even codes for low battery voltage. You know, BMWs, when the batteries get low, they're possessed, guys. They start acting really strange sometimes. We'll select diagnostics, and here you will have control unit. Check this thing out now. How many computers that car has? Under drive, that many. Under chassis, quite a few. Under body, it's unbelievable. Simply, guys, unbelievable here. So what we need to select? We need to go to body, advanced crash airbag system, select that one. Next, read codes. Ignore the code that we'll have for the knee airbag because it's simply removed here, so we can get to the other problem. We have code 930922 right there, that's in blue. It says Front Passenger Airbag Valve, resistance too high. When working on airbag systems, okay, only if you're qualified and certified, guys, do that. Consider this entertaining video again, but disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before repairs. That way you can minimize the chance for something to blow up, but it still could be there. Never work with metal tools. Try to have no static electricity as well. Discharge your static electricity. Another thing, it really it's really important which battery terminal you disconnect first and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics, modules, computers. How we know that? We burned an airbag computer before. That cost us $2,000. So there is a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check out, guys, the video. It will be on How to Repair Guys YouTube channel. I think we have one on this one as well, which battery terminal to disconnect first, and you'll be able to find out why and how to do it correctly as well. So we'll go ahead, turn the ignition switch off, disconnect our battery, wait 1 hour and continue. So for any of you that want to see how to remove the glove box on BMW 5 Series completely, check out our YouTube channel How to Repair Guys. We have the complete video how to remove glove box on BMW F10 generation. Once you remove the glove box, you get to the passenger airbag, which is located right here on top in the dash. You can see it consists of 3 different components. This is stage 1, stage 2, this is the valve right here that we have problems with. So what can, guys, easily cause these codes now? Okay, that connector right here is our problem, guys. Make sure that the airbag is not blown. If the car was in an accident, somebody sold it to you with an airbag light, maybe the airbag was blown and maybe only the dash cover was replaced. Number 2, it could be defective airbag. Number 3, it could be, guys, if the airbag was blown, sometimes it could be melted connector because they get really hot, or melted wires. If it wasn't rebuilt correctly, that will cause the problem as well. Next, we have a video that explains how to replace airbag connectors. It will teach you all about that. After that, guys, it could be a loose wire. When you disconnect them, we have a special video how to disconnect airbag wire on BMW. But when you connect them, you need to push the connector in and then push the black piece to lock it in place. Otherwise, it can get loose. That's what happened with ours. It was just a loose wire that was causing our problem. We'll go ahead, reconnect it, connect the car battery, and see if that fixes the problem now. So we, guys, connected the wire. You can see it's installed. So let's go ahead, connect the car battery and see if that will fix the problem on that BMW 5 Series now. So the car battery has been reconnected. We'll turn the ignition switch on. Here now we'll reset the codes. The only one that we should left is for the knee airbag because it's still not installed. We'll select erase codes, erase successfully, read codes, and check this thing out, guys. The code is gone. So that took care of the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, let us know. We're here to help you, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.